Ditch final round AI's limitations and unlock next-level performance. We're diving into the best AI alternatives. First, let's quickly acknowledge final round AI. It's good, but not the only player in the game. Are you struggling with its pricing, limited integrations, or specific feature gaps? That's precisely what we're addressing. Now, onto the contenders. We've got powerful cloud-based platforms like Google AI Platform, renowned for its scalability and pre-trained models. Amazon SageMaker offers a comprehensive suite for building, training, and deploying machine learning models. Microsoft Azure AI stands out with its easy integration with existing Microsoft products, and IBM Watson, perfect for enterprise-level AI solutions. Google AI Platform excels with TensorFlow and Kubernetes. Its pricing is often more competitive for certain use cases. See how easily you can navigate the model deployment section. Amazon SageMaker shines with its modularity. The visual interface allows for step-by-step model creation. Price is a major factor. Do a thorough price comparison. Cloud providers often have pay-as-you-go options which can save you significant amounts. Final rounds pricing might be fixed, while others allow for flexible scaling. Before you jump, jot down your specific needs. What features are non-negotiable? How important are existing integrations? Consider scalability for future growth. Don't get distracted by hype. Focus on what you need. Finding the perfect AI alternative is a personalized journey. Research, test free trials, and choose the solution that aligns perfectly with your needs and budget. Let us know in the comments which AI platform is your go-to and why. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI insights.